Hi everybody, this is Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. Today I'm bringing you a very exciting home listing tour. The property I'm at today is 7724 Landover Lane. This property is located in Colorado Springs. You're right on the cusp of that Colorado Springs fountain area, so you've got a Colorado Springs zip code, but you still got super easy access here in Mesa Ridge to all the amenities in the fountain corridor. You've got everything in that Mesa Ridge shopping corridor over there. You've got easy access to Fort Carson and easy access to the South Powers corridor as well. So really great location, again, with convenient access to everywhere kind of around you. This is a great property that is nearly 3,500 square feet total. You've got about 2,400 square feet of it finished, plus an 1,100 square foot unfinished basement with room to grow as well. The property itself has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It was built in 2014, so it's basically brand new. It's beautifully appointed. You've got an oversized 2-car garage. It's a little over 500 square feet, so it really is a large 2-car garage. Again, you've got really convenient access. You've got beautiful stone front. It was just hit by that fountain hailstorm, so you have a new roof going on. You've got some exterior paint touch-up going on, so really this property is a great value, nearly as good as new. Let's go in and take a closer look. Now again, this home was built in 2014, so it's as good as new. When you first enter the home, you've got great tile flooring that meets you in the foyer. The foyer's got really tall ceilings. You notice right off the bat, you've got Santa Fe doors everywhere throughout the house and great brushed nickel hardware. Just off the right, when you enter, is a beautiful formal dining room with updated, beautiful high-end chandelier lighting you can see. And as you follow the engineered hardwood floors through the dining room and into the kitchen area, you pass through from the dining room to the kitchen with a great butler's pantry. Once inside the kitchen, you've got beautiful engineered hardwood floors. You've got beautiful granite countertops, a large center island with additional storage, tons of cabinet space, tons of countertop space, upgraded stainless steel appliances. You've got an undermounted stainless steel sink, and then a nice eat-in kitchen as well that walks out to the backyard. Just off the kitchen, you've got a fantastic great room with double height ceilings, tons of natural light, really great well-lit area, but the light isn't super intrusive as it's north facing, which is really great. This area's got carpeted floors. Everything's set up as you've got a really nice entertainment cubby and a ton of space here for all of the entertaining. So you've got a really cohesive floor plan that takes you from the great room to the eating kitchen to the kitchen. So it's a really nice flow for families and things like that. Main level walks out to the backyard. The backyard is a really blank canvas, so the owner can kind of come in and do what they want with it. It does feel nice and private. It's fully fenced. The home does come with air conditioning as well, and you do have a really nice extended patio. As you go upstairs, you've got beautiful wrought iron railings on the stairs, and you can see some great updates kind of throughout this house for sure. As you get upstairs, you've got 3 bedrooms plus a nice little loft study area. Three bedrooms are all pretty spacious. You've got upper level laundry as well, which is very convenient. You've still got those same high-end doors and things like that. You've got a great secondary full bath with tile flooring and tile surround. And you've got a really nice master suite. Master suite's got a big extended space. It's got a door that kind of closes you off to the master bath. It's got a beautiful double-sided fireplace that goes to the master bedroom and the bathroom as well. You've got a deep soaking tub, double vanity sinks, a separate shower with tile enclosure, and a really big walk-in closet. So you've got a really great floor plan, and again, you've got that unfinished basement with extra space to grow as well if you want to start growing a little bit outside of this house as well. Like with all my homes, this home does come with a 14-month home warranty, transferable to the new buyer upon closing. For more information on this home, please visit my website, which is www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a private tour of 7724 Landover Lane, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. This is 7724 Landover Lane, and this is coming on the market at $325,000. A great value for a property that's as good as new, really in a great location here with easy access to Fountain, Fort Carson, and all of the surrounding amenities. Thanks so much.